So the idea behind remote force is that we've got a force not acting on the geometry. So it's actually, let's say, out in space, but you still want to apply that. So I'm going to start the loads feature from the setup panel. And from the type drop down, I'm going to select remote force. And you can see that we still select the entities we want to apply this to. So I'm going to select this surface here. Here's the subcase I'm going to apply it to. And I want to have a 500-pound force on that. So right now I'm in pound force because of my units. Now the key thing about the remote force is setting the location. So right now you can see it's set to vertex or point. I happen to have a work point here that I created in the modeling environment. So I'm going to click to select that. Let's just do a preview, and it's going to use that point as the location for the force. Now, opposed to using a vertex point, we can also use a node, or what I'm able to do is actually set the coordinates. So maybe what I want here is I want 25 in the X, I want 50 in the Y, and I want 0 in the Z. So now if we preview that, notice the location that that's acting on. So perhaps I got this wrong here. It's actually supposed to be 25 in the X, and we can see the location that's going to be applied. So let's just increase that a little bit. Let's click OK, and the remote load is now applied to my model.